Losar la Tashidelek. I'm Fang, President and CEO of Radio Free Asia. On behalf of everyone at RFA, it is my pleasure to wish you all a peaceful and prosperous Losar. As one of our longest-standing language services, RFA Tibetan has been a trusted source of local news since 1996, providing fact-based journalism in 3 Tibetan dialects. In the past year, you, our audiences, have turned to the service to learn about stories like China's destructive hydropower ambitions in Tibet, which have uprooted communities, demolished sacred sites, and sparked rare protests by monks and local residents. The service also reported on the devastating toll of the earthquake that struck Tibet in January, despite Chinese government efforts to downplay the disaster. And they have provided exclusive and breaking news about His Holiness the Dalai Lama, including in-depth coverage of a historic U.S. congressional visit with exiled leader in Dharamsala, and the last exclusive interview with His Holiness's brother Gyalo Tondup before Tondup's death. As we begin another year, I extend our gratitude to you all. Your unwavering support and trust are critical to our success. May the year of the wood snake bring you happiness, good health, and peace. Tashidelek.